look what I have. All right, hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. Today we're working with Verano Hill. They are doing a huge January buy one get one free sale. So if you guys want to see some bags that I picked out, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into these handbags. All right, let's just start with the littlest to the biggest. So the bags will come in these beautiful royal blue bags. All right, you guys, so here is the first bag that I picked out. I think it says, yes, it says VH for Verano Hill all over the bag. It's a beautiful little baby tote. Sorry it's loud, they're watching football upstairs, so please forgive me. Oh my gosh, so this thing is so cute. Oh look, it has a little buckle right here. Let's see, what does it say on here? Oh, it has plastic. It has plastic around it, but it's just a little lock, and it has a metal magnetic button, which is really, really cute. It's red on the inside. Let me take out the stuffing on here so we can see how much room we got. Oh, it is so soft, you guys. It's so soft, but it still like keeps its structure, which I love. So here's what the inside looks like. There's also a zipper pouch in the center. It also has red in here. Oh, what's in here? Oh, you get another strap. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I didn't even see this detail too. So we have, this one says VH. Really, really deep pouch in the center that it divides the purse in half, which is really nice. So you can keep everything that you want like secure in the center. Just like on the outside of the bag, it has that same print on the sides of the pouch as well. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, there you go. But yes, there's lots of space on each side. Here's what the strap looks like. It does adjust as well, but nice and sleek. Alrighty, so this is what the bag looks like on your shoulder. You can also wear it cross-body as well. So moving on to the second bag. This one is so freaking pretty. This is so gorgeous. Hold on, let me take off all the stuff. Oh my gosh, this bag is so beautifully structured. Oh my gosh. The cream with the gold detailing is so freaking beautiful. Oh, this one, it's like stiff. The handles are stiff. This is, excuse me, this bag is so freaking cute. I am obsessed. It has some feet at the bottom. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open this baby up. Gosh, okay, so let's look at the inside of this bag. So again, this one also has a zipper pouch in the center, separating them both. It's like a canvas type of material on the inside. In the front here, you have a pocket, a little slider pocket. And then on the other side, you have another zipper pocket on the back side of the wall. So that is really, really nice. And there's a bunch of room in here on each side. So much room. So you can, honestly, this might even fit like a little iPad mini, or if you have like a little Kindle or a little paperback where you read your books on, you can definitely fit like a notepad, a planner. You can fit so many things in here, including your wallet, your purse, lip glosses, all that stuff can go right in the center, all your lip glosses, so you don't lose any of those. And it zips up so nothing will come out. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It really is stunning. This bag is actually a lot more beautiful than I thought it would be. I want to get this in more colors, and I know this one comes in more colors too. I was having a hard time trying to figure out if I wanted this one, or I think they had like a chocolate brown. But yes, it's like snake skin. It is, or alligator. Is that alligator? It kind of looks like alligator skin, I'm not sure. But this bag is just so well structured. I love it. Oh, and there's still got some stickers on here. There's still some stickers on here. But yes, so the bag comes like this, like locked, and all you have to do is turn this little lock like that, and you can take the straps off like so and just let them hang. I know a lot of the girlies like to just let it hang because it is very cute like that too. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. This is so freaking cute. Okay, hold on, let me show you guys what it looks like with the strap on. All right, this is what the strap looks like, and it has the hook details, and then there is some little D hooks right here that you hook it on to. This is how it looks with the strap. It is really just so cute. It is really just so stinking cute. Let's see what a crossbody will look like. Wow, it's kind of big to be a crossbody. Honestly, I probably wouldn't wear it crossbody. I probably would just take the strap off entirely and just wear it like with the top handle, because this is so stinking cute. Okay, so the last bag I'm going to show you guys is, I don't even remember what it is, but it's the biggest one, and I don't think that I realized how big this bag was because I didn't think I picked out anything this big. So let's get into it. This is a tote, honey. Hold on. Okay, so then we have this tote. This is a perfect everyday work bag. This is giving chic work bag. It is so freaking cute. The leather is so durable, and it has a magnetic closure on it, so you can seal it up in the middle. And then inside it has this huge freaking pouch. And then look how much space is in here. Endless amount of space, endless. Oh, and then it has like these little snaps on here. There's a snap inside on the left side. You can snap those together to make it nice and secure inside. Perfect. Now it's nice and stationary on the inside and extremely spacious in here. Look at all the space. We've got a little slip pocket here and a zipper pocket here. Big little organizer, and then inside the pouch there it does say Verano Hill. This is for the corporate baddies. Yes, corporate baddie, here we are. Here we go. This is so freaking cute, and there is some feet on the bottom. This bag is really, really flexible, so you can just stuff this bag and stuff this bag until you cannot stuff this bag anymore. And I just love that it has the pouch in the middle for anything that you don't want to slide out, and it also has the closure on there so you can secure everything as well. This is just gorgeous. This is gorgeous. It looks so fancy. All right, you guys, so these are all the bags that I picked out today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out their BOGO sale. It has already started, so you guys can just click the link below. I will have the direct link to the website, and you guys can pick out one bag and get another bag for free. Comment below what bags are you guys picking out. I will also have the links to these bags in the description box, so do not skip out on the description box. This one just might be my favorite. This one's just so cute. It's not even necessarily my style, but I genuinely love it. It is so freaking cute. I cannot wait to try to wear this somewhere. But again, comment below, tell me which one you guys like. What bags are you guys picking out? Which bag do you guys want to get for free? Let's talk about it down in the comments below. Thank you again, Verano Hill, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.